settling back into the van. It has become a construction site. All for the better though, because I did bring back a couple of bags of goodies, including the stovetop that Max is starting to put on now, as well an entire suitcase dedicated to a new inverter. Xantrex sent us this bad boy because they saw that we were having trouble setting up our Blendtec, which we still haven't got working. So hopefully once we set this up, we can get that working. We can finally make the smoothies or soups or...
It's 3,000 watts.
It's 3,000 watts. So if this doesn't work, yeah, we don't know.
And now I think we're really going to be able to power anything. Like if you've got a microwave, dishwasher, washing machine, I think we've got you covered. Look at the size of this thing.
Yeah.
But
that's, just to give you reference, that's our old one, 600 watt.
yeah, here, I'll put it next to you.
And that's the new one.
That's our old one. So we're going to hook this up, and you know, if this doesn't power the Blendtec and finally get us some epic smoothies, nothing will. Or our battery bank is not up to the task.
Okay, test number one.
Yeah, so I've got it all hooked up. I will mount it securely, so don't worry about that, but I've got it all hooked up. It's awesome. There's actually a little LCD display here that'll tell me. So at the moment it's saying the battery voltage is around 14, which is awesome. It's as full as a goog. So this is going to be a really easy test for it. This is just a coffee grinder first, and I've got the extra parts I can plug straight into the inverter as well. So that's how I'm going to test to start with. And the nice thing about that means there'll be no, there's no voltage drop going from the inverter to, like, you know, your outputs or anything. So I know that's exactly what it's getting. So
Woo!
see the coffee spinning around there because I didn't clean it properly.
So the question is, do we risk putting ingredients in the smoothie cup, or do we just put water first?
I think I'm going to be safe just because of our history, and I'm going to put water in the smoothie cup. There's no need to put ingredients in there just yet.
Oh, looks so good beside the stove.
Is it filming?
Yeah.
Okay, so those will remember if you've seen our Wakachina video where we tried to get this Blendtec going last time. It turned on like it's doing right now. So everything up to this point worked on our other one. But this is where we came unstuck. So I'm going to go for, what, just a...
Oh my god! Yay! Oh, look at this, beautiful!
I had a fair idea it was going to work because they actually called me up and I talked to their customer service and they made sure I had the right size inverter and all the right cables and everything. So I'm just pumped. This. There we go.
Yay! Max and I have been saying that these are definitely things we should have done quite a long time ago, especially since we broke our cooker in Costa Rica.
Yeah.
What, October of last year?
Yeah.
So, I'm very happy.
Press that button.
So I just turn it on, or it's already on? Okay, blend. That's maybe music.
Yeah.
Yay! Oh, it's good, all that strawberry. This is one of the two. Perfect.
Whoop whoop.
Wow. We've done 4 blends, keeping track of our blend.
12.4, and like realistically normally we'll do it in the morning.
Yeah.
So it's got plenty of time for the solar to fill it back up. And the good thing is we just tested it down on this outer power point, so we're not losing too much clearly coming from there. 12.5. Cheers.
Cheers.